Good morning. I am out here on this Saturday morning. It's around 7 a.m. Just did with the chickens because they do their cackling. You notice I changed my hat. I have a lot of flop hats actually. I've had this flop hat for years and I'm trying not to wear the bonnet so much, but keep things off my ear, but I don't know if this is gonna work. Also, it's a lot lighter than my other hat. So I still have a whatchamacallit. Oh, there's the bees fighting in the flowers. See, I get distracted. A scarf on underneath. But it's a lot lighter than my other hat. And I did hear a bee come near me, so we'll see how long this works out. So I'm in the garden today. I know I'm going to start with the tomato beds. But after that, I'm trying to see where I'm going to go from there. I need to cut down the asparagus. They've gotten a little bit too long. Let me show you. See? I don't know if you can see. Right there. Yeah. I didn't cut any for a couple of days, so that's what happens. They grow really, really fast. So, yeah. I cut a lot of lettuce yesterday. If you saw my video, I had enough lettuce and tomatoes for like 4 garden salads. And I got me 3 butterfly peas this morning. I got 2 yesterday. The butterfly peas are starting to really take shape and come out, so I'm happy about that. The bees are on their job this morning. They're all over the loofah and the squash plants, so I don't know if I'll get to watering. Yesterday it was over 100 degrees. It was 101, and it's progressively getting hotter. So this morning I decided to give the chickies some water and ice. So using my selfie stick today because I don't feel like holding the phone, and we'll see what we can get done this morning. After that, I'm in the house and probably washing clothes and doing a little cleaning up. I will not be out in the sun ruining my health today. So I'll come back to you guys and let you see what I've done. My chicken has a whole dusting bin right here, and she want to roll around in dirt right there. It's like a teenager wearing sweats and boots to the beach in the summer. Let me get back to work. Bye. Ooh, okay. It's just after 8. I accidentally cut off a mortgage lifter. So we're going to let it turn red in the house. Let me show you where I got so far. I decided to take a little break. So yeah, you can see it pretty good. So I've been over here. You see they're not leaning anymore. Now I'm over here at the Amish paste in the Paul Robertson. I got that Thornborn's terracotta right there. Now I'm heading over to the Paul Robertson. Let me show you. There's also another lizard that got caught up. Sorry. Another lizard, I don't know if you can see it, got caught up in the netting. Yeah. So yeah, I'm happy I got out here kind of early. I'm trying to cut off branches that don't have big tomatoes on them, but unfortunately, what is that? Something trying to pollinate. Unfortunately, I got this right here cut off, but that's okay. It's really big. It's probably was going to turn red anyway. I see a hornet trying to pollinate, and I'm just going to take it in the house. Take it in the house, let it turn red with the other aromas that came off the other day, and continue doing what I'm doing. I stopped for a minute because I heard somebody going off back there. What's up? What's up? So I stopped, even though they can't see me over the wall. Sometimes people can be crazy nowadays, so I just decided, my flop hat decided to take a little break. But I don't hear that person anymore, so I'm about to get right back out there and finish doing what I'm doing, and maybe fill 1 or 2 containers and plant my stevia and And my other mint plants is about 4 mint plants I have here. Maybe I'll just do the stevia and then come on in the house. There's really not much I can do out here because the heat is about to really set in. So I'll see you all in a little while. Hey everybody. So the pollinators are really out today. I had to stop because once I start getting to the other tomato plants by the loofah gourd plant and the cucumbers, all type of stuff. I had those big black, I guess worker bees. I had a hummingbird buzz me. I had bees buzzing me more than usual. So, I mean, there was a crow just going off. Caw kept going off. So, let me show you what I did get done. So, I trimmed the catmint right here. I did kind of trim these up a little bit. I got a couple of leaves off of the cucumber. See, I hear them right now. Cucumber plants, but not a lot. I'm gonna have to come back this evening. Let me turn it around. I hope I'm not making you dizzy. And this is what I did to the big boys over here, the tomato plants. I got them really good. As you can see, look at all that right there. And if I come around here, look at all this right here. Also, I'm getting silks finally on my corn. This is a different type of corn. This is called, it's a white corn. It's called Country Gentleman's corn. And look, I'm getting silks. They're way up here. And there is a wasp. I don't know if you can see it. Sitting right there. So let me get away from that. Because they're like, look, we're trying to pollinate. When I was cutting down or trimming up the tomato plants, things were really buzzing me because they just wanted to get in there. They just really want to get in there. And I let them. Because I trimmed them down, the netting is not as tight. And so they're able to get in there the way they want to. And I was trimming stuff from the top of the cages because they're really top heavy. But look at them. They are doing okay. I think I dropped, besides that mortgage lifter, I chopped off 2 more small tomatoes, Romas. But yeah, and I already watered everything this morning. So that's how I got in there. But that's it. And I want you to see the flowers on the loofah. Look at those flowers. I mean, they are shining brightly. The bees are all up in there. Let me see if I could get one right there. I mean, they're up in there. So, I'm going in the house. I've done all that I could do. I got 1 egg today from the chickens. They're kind of laying like, sorry the camera is shaky. I was holding a selfie stick. Laying like 1 every other day. I think they're starting to get back to laying eggs. So yeah, I went in there. I decided to get them when they were kind of busy out of my way and got that egg. So, because we only have like 5 eggs in the house. I don't eat eggs that much, but my mother's supposed to have a lot of eggs, and she said, Precious, did they lay an egg? And yesterday they didn't, but today they did. And they could be hiding eggs in there too. They do that sometimes. But since I opened up the coop, they're going back into the coop, and they're starting to lay an egg in the same place that they laid them before. So now that is it. Maybe I'll come back out this evening and do some more maintenance and trimming, but the heat is really setting in. It's probably close to 9 a.m. I'm not even gonna take that stuff I cut to the trash, to the recycle container until this evening when it's all dried up and condenses, and I can just carry it over there. Okay, this is it. As I always say, please find peace within yourself, and please be peaceable with everyone around you. I love you all. Have a fantastic Saturday. Bye, everybody.